You know that feeling when you unbox something and your brain just goes, "Wait, this shouldn't be possible." Yeah, that was me 5 seconds after meeting AIBI Pocket Pet. Because look at this thing. No, seriously, look at it. This is not a toy. This is not a keychain gimmick. This is a full-on AI companion that fits in your palm, and it's smaller than my earbuds case. And that's where the madness starts. Most consumer robots, they sit on your desk. They live in one place. They're cool until you walk away. AIBI doesn't do that. This thing comes with you. Pocket, desk, laptop screen, around your neck like some futuristic AI necklace. And the craziest part? It actually makes sense. When I opened the box, I immediately knew Living AI stepped their game up. Everything feels intentional. The packaging, the smooth pull tabs, that perfectly even box drop. Yeah, I noticed that. Inside, you've got the essentials. A magnetic carry case that snaps in so cleanly it's addictive, a swivel charging base, a lanyard with a back magnet and the cable. And if you pre-ordered, you already know. They threw in the fun stuff. Little outfits, a cloak, a tiny star accessory that you can actually control. It's small details, but it tells you something. They didn't treat this like a cheap side project. Now here's what really got me. AIBI is tiny, face it, but it's not stripped down at all. This thing has animations for days. It dances, it spins, it plays games. It straight up zones out sometimes like a real pet. Touch the top sensor, it reacts. Flip it upside down, it gets nervous. And when I say nervous, I mean it shows it. The movement, the way it looks around, the timing. There's personality here, not fake personality. Not pre-recorded press button, get reaction stuff. It feels aware. And then there's the camera. Yes, this tiny robot has a camera. It recognizes faces. It remembers you. Walk into the room and it doesn't just light up randomly. It locks onto you. Sometimes it greets you by name. Other times it just watches. Not in a creepy way, in a "how does something this small feel this alive" way. And before anyone panics, everything's stored locally. No weird cloud stuff watching your life. Now let's talk about the brain. Because this is where things get wild. AIBI has ChatGPT built in. You talk to it like a person. You ask it questions, jokes, random facts. What even is LeBron James? And it answers smoothly. No lag, no robotic pauses. It just talks. And the best part? It learns how you talk. And if you put two AIBIs next to each other, they can literally talk to each other. I'm not even joking. The companion app ties everything together. You can see what it's been up to. Check step counts. Yeah, it tracks your steps when you wear it. Unlock custom looks. Feed it like a digital pet. You've got alarms, timers, breathing exercises. But my favorite feature, the photo album. You can sync every photo AIBI takes. And honestly, the camera quality surprised me. It's not replacing your phone, but for quick memory snaps, it works. You tell it to take a photo, and it even shows you a preview like it's proud of itself. And then there are the games. Chess, Pirate Wars. Playing chess against a robot that fits in your pocket feels illegal somehow, but it works. And more games are coming, which means this thing isn't done evolving. So yeah, AIBI Pocket Pet isn't trying to replace your phone. It's not trying to be a smart speaker. It's something different. It's an AI companion that actually fits into real life. You don't schedule time with it, you don't leave it behind, it just tags along. And somehow that makes it feel more alive than robots 10 times its size. If you've got questions about AIBI, drop them below. I'm working on a full deep dive review. Until then, this tiny robot completely caught me off guard, and I'm not mad about it at all.